everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn 7th class NCERT Maths textbook first chapter and exercise 1. Okay students, before starting the class, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and you are going to see a bell icon here. So if you hit this bell icon, you'll never miss my updates. Okay students, now without getting late, we'll start our class. So already questions are written here. What is the first question? Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. Okay, so on the number line it is shown very clearly that Lahul Spiti, it is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Oh sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius, and Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. So he asked us to write what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. So the hottest is nothing but 22 degrees Celsius, and the coolest is minus 7 degrees Celsius. So he's asking the difference. So 22 degrees minus and minus 7 degrees, sorry 8. So 22, as we already know that minus into minus is plus. So the difference between hot and coldest places is 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and minus of Srinagar is minus 2. Minus 8, minus into minus, plus 2. So as we already know that minus is bigger one, so the answer will come in minus. 8 minus 2 is 6 degrees Celsius. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, what he is asking, temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, so first of all we'd like to know that what is the temperature, how much is the temperature at Shimla and Srinagar. One second, just give me a minute students. Okay, okay. So Srinagar is minus 2 and Shimla is 5. So he's asking this one. Together is nothing but addition. So Srinagar is minus 2 plus Shimla is 5. So as we already know that, we can also write like this: 5 minus 2 is 3 degrees Celsius. And what is the question? Is less than the temperature at Shimla? No, it is not less than temperature at Shimla. It is greater than, because at Shimla the temperature is 5. 5 is not less than 3. And is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Okay. Now moving on to the second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Okay. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay. So one quiz they are going to conduct. Of course, we all know that when we are going to conduct quiz, we will have positive marks and at the same time negative marks also. So one boy's marks are here His marks in each round they given. In first round he got 25, second round he got -5, and third round he got -10, and fourth round he got 15, and fifth round he got 10. So first what I'm doing is I just separated negative numbers and positive numbers, and now I want to add all the positive numbers and I want to add all the negative numbers. And after that we will see 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 2 plus 1 3, 4 5. And coming to the negative marks, -5 and 1. So 50 minus 15, that is nothing but how much? Yes, 35. So find what is the score of Jack. His total score is 35 marks. Is it okay, students? Now we'll move on to the next question. At Srinagar, temperature was for -5 degrees on Monday. Then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. So actually it is -5. It is dropped by 2 means what? You have to go for addition, right? So -5 plus of, it dropped down means -2. -5 plus into -2. Both are in the same symbol, then we can go for addition. 5 plus 2 is 7. So on Tuesday, the temperature at Srinagar was -7 degrees Celsius. So the same question he asked. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So rose is nothing but increasing. Increasing means what? It is going to be in a positive number. So -5 plus 4. So minus is bigger number. So 5 minus 4 is 1 degree Celsius. On Wednesday, the temperature of Srinagar is -1 degree Celsius. On Tuesday, the temperature of Srinagar is -7 degrees Celsius. On Monday, the Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius. Now we'll move on to the next question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Okay, if you observe the figure here, the plane is 5,000 meters above the sea level and the submarine is 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So vertical means what? It is already a line is drawn here, okay? Okay, we want to know how much distance it is there from here to here. So it is flying on 5,000 meters minus, and it is under the water means -1200, right? Because it is 0 down, and 5,000 minus into minus plus 1200, and total it is a distance of 7,200 meters. Sorry, 6,200 meters. I'm sorry. Just give me a minute, I will erase this. 6,200 meters. And now we'll move on to the next question, students. Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of an amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So actually Mohan is deposited 2,000 rupees, and out of this amount he just removed 1,642 rupees the very next day. And now we have to find out how much money is left in his bank. So first of all, I'll show you this subtraction, borrowing. So from 0 we can't do subtraction, so that is the reason first we'll give borrow. This will become 10 and it will become 1. And from 10 to borrow will come here. This 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. The same procedure will follow for the same 0. It will become 10 and this will become 9. Now in this way you got answer here, okay? Now 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 6 3, and 1 minus 1 0. So in his bank 358 rupees are there. So Is it clear how to do subtraction and all? Right? Okay. I hope you all understand this class. If you find this interesting, and please share it with your friends. Thank you, students.